up, gang? Boo 617. Welcome back to the channel. Alright guys, so not only am I excited because the weather's beautiful out, but I'm also gonna be doing a new install today. If you haven't read the description already or the title, which I'm sure you did, and that's why you're here. Anyways, we're gonna install the new grills on the X5 today. Now my X5 already comes with the black grills, but it does come with the chrome on the outside. So the ones that I bought are all blacked out, and they're double ribbed. So it's gonna look sick. Since the weather's awesome, let's open up this panoramic sunroof, why don't we? Ooh! Yeah, baby. Love that, love that. Oh, let's open that up though. What's going on? Let's open it up. That's one click and two clicks. Open that bad boy all up. All right, guys, so the tools we're using today are a Torx kit, a trim removal kit, and obviously a ratchet because of this kit. Now, if you have a kit that is like almost like a screwdriver with the Torx tip, then you don't need the ratchet, but I do. So that's what I'm using today, and probably even a Phillips screwdriver. I mean a flathead screwdriver. That's what I'm gonna use today. All right, first things first, let's pop the hood. All right, with the hood wide open, first thing we gotta do is remove this weather stripping. We gotta remove the whole thing, just from the front there. And then we're gonna take these screws off. So the one that we're gonna use is the T30. And that's gonna take all these right out. So there's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. So take these 5 out first. After you have taken those out, put everything to this side nice and safely, and we're gonna lift over these tabs here to release this front portion. As you can see, it comes out, and we can see inside now, behind the grill. All right, guys, so I already took one out. This is what you're gonna do. There's 2 clips on the top. There's that one, that 2, right? When you pull, you're gonna pull out a little bit, then you're gonna see this 3rd one on the side. Clip that one in, and then there's gonna be another one on this side. Clip that one. Once you do those 4, it's gonna start sticking on like this, okay? And then there's 3 tabs in the bottom. What I did, I just pulled and kept pulling, and they just popped out. All right. All right, so here's the new grill compared to the old. To put this is super easy. What you're gonna do, you literally line it up and push it in. Let me show you. All right, so for this one, all we do is literally line it up. And push. Give it a little tug, make sure that it's nice and secure. That's it. That's how it's looking right now, before and after. What do y'all think? What I did notice for this project, you don't even need any tools but the torque and a flathead screwdriver. So let me just see if I can show you. So this is a clip here, right? Right there. So it's literally all you gotta do is push that tab down. You're gonna come down here, push that tab down right there. Once those go in, then you do the sides, and that's it. But I just wanted to show you. So I did one side, 1, 2, and then this side, right? And then tug it a little bit. You're gonna see this whole assembly start coming out. Start yanking it out, and that's it. Let's go ahead and grab the other side. this plastic off. So when you line these up, just make sure that there's 3 tabs on the bottom, 2 tabs on the top. All you do now, grab all your bolts, your Torx bolts. I'm gonna start putting them all back. Move this to the side. He's gonna put the weather stripping back. That's it. That's all she wrote. Oh, baby. There's my NISMO. There's my baby right here. I haven't drove her in a few months, all winter. We'll start her up right now. She might not start. Might need to jump her, though. Let's see. Yeah, just as I expected. Battery's dead. So let's boost this up. Alright, so we got the NISMO plugged up to the M Sport. Let's see if she starts up now. Nope, not yet. Gotta give it some more time.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, this is try number 2. Wish me luck. It felt really nice turning on the NISMO right now. I missed the shit out of that car, but I bought this car here for the winter, and I didn't want to drive the NISMO in the winter anymore. That was like the main goal, to get something nice that I could still rock and still mod and put work into it. That's why I got this X5. But being in that NISMO, oh, it's one of a kind, man. It's a one of a kind feeling. But anyways, back to the grills. So that's how easy it was. 10-20 minutes of your time, literally less than of the tools than I thought. All you need is the Torx set, not even a set, just the T30 and a flathead screwdriver long enough to reach the clips. That's all you need in 20 minutes. You see how fast it was. Just a little bit of elbow grease, little popping out. That's it. But with that said, check the grills out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Boo-Boo617.